everyone, and welcome back to Audie's Creations YouTube channel. I'm going to be doing an unboxing on my new updated Loklik cutter machine from the company Loklik. I don't know if you guys remember before, but I had mentioned that Loklik and HTVRONT are sibling companies, and this is the cutting machine they came out with, the Loklik cutter. So the Loklik cutter is on sale for $169.99. And they do have white and blue options. So let's just go ahead and open this. Oh my goodness, I'm so excited, you guys. So we got a lot of styrofoam here. And we have all these little packing things. And I can see, oh, a box. It's probably the cords. Let's see what's inside. Yes, we have cords. So here we have the power adapter here, and then we also have the USB connection. Then we have the blade holder. Take that out and look at it. If I can see right there. Pretty cool. And then we have some blades here, and this should be for the marker for the other side. Pretty cool, guys. All right. And it says here on the bottom, I'm thinking this is what they will be offering in solid colors. I don't know if any of you guys had watched their launch when they said that there was going to be like macaroon colors. So I'm thinking these might be some of the colors that they'll have available. So we have the Loklik blue, the Loklik white, the denim blue, romance pink, and grace purple. Let's go ahead and take this out. Oh. Alright, let me get rid of this small box here. And let me turn this around. Oh, this is such a beauty to look at. I can't wait to open it, but I do want to look at the box and just appreciate the box going on here. We have, hold on the back, it's letting us know what we have inside the box. So we have it says what's included here, which is a cutting machine and the instructions, and then what you need is these kind of things to use with your cutting machine. But that is pretty neat. I like the packaging. I think we have some photos here on the side, which I'll take pictures of and show you guys. But for now, let's just open this guy up. And I did paint my nails Loklik blue for this video. So let's see. Might come in at an angle here. All right, we have a Loklik manual book, probably instructions, and where everything goes. Most of it out. And here we go. This other box down, and let's take these styrofoam sides off. And out of the bag. It's just as gorgeous as the one before, but something about the updated version just looks great. All right, let's open it up. We're gonna open up the tabs right here, the little tapes, carefully. Oh no, the tape left a little bit of residue, but alcohol wipes will surely get that off. Okay. And here we go, guys. Beautiful. So this is the compartment where you can put your accessories and whatnot, your blades, markers, etc. And it has this little placeholder here. Oh, it's beautiful. Yes, so do not move the tool holder by hand. Okay, so you're not about to. And we're gonna get our stuff going. But yes. Alright guys, so this is the Loklik cutter. As you can see, it still looks the same on the outside like the last one did. It has a beautiful coated finish here. And then we have this little housing area for all your tools. I'm gonna open it. Then it has the tool holder here. And of course, this was for the pen side, and I believe this is for the blade side. So we're gonna go ahead and put those in right now. And of course, the bottom, the compartment. So let me put you guys up, and then I'll show you guys how to put in the blade right here. Alrighty, so right here I have one of the blades, and then I have the blade holder, which I'm going to put in. Just taking the blade apart, and then putting the blade into the blade holder. I don't even think you have to take off the red part for that, but I don't feel this is super sharp where it's gonna hurt me, so I just took it off. And you're going to open, the clamp is open here. And we're just going to put it in. And again, the buttons on the side, we have the power button, the pause button, the load and unload your mat button, and of course the cut button. And what I love the most about this cutting machine is that the port for the USB and the power adapter is on the side, which is super convenient for me since the way everything is positioned on my desk. I do really like that. I don't like it behind. I'm not sure why some of the other cutting machines I've had, they are on the side of the back, which is kind of annoying to me. But I like this. Just my preference and my 2 cents. But let's go ahead and plug this in. There we go. And the power adapter looks like this, guys, just in case you want to see it. Alright guys, so first and foremost, you're going to want to go ahead and download the Loklik Idea Studio to your laptop or Mac, and go ahead and make sure you have that all set up with a username and password. I already have it downloaded, but you can go and download it here. I can leave the link in the description. Let me see if it'll... I think it's too bright, but it says loklik.com/download, okay? And I will be connecting for the first time via USB to my laptop. Okay, and now I'm going to be turning on the Loklik cutter. So again, these do need to go all the way back when you turn it on, so they don't get caught on this guy here. Okay, I am connected. I'm just gonna shut it real fast. Pull my laptop back into frame here. And I have the software already, so I'm just gonna go ahead and click it. All right, and I did have this loaded on here. I would like to cut this cute little document here, but you can go ahead and find free images in their library when you click library over here. And I want to go over the software with a video screen on another video, but you can basically pick all these images that they have. They have different categories and stuff, but we'll get into that another day. So I got this image right here on the Halloween collection, and this is the one I picked. So we'll go back to Canvas. Click here, press add to task, and as you can see, it's connected via USB. But if you would like to do this with Bluetooth, you can click Bluetooth here, but I'm going to leave it as is for the USB portion. And this is all pre-ready for HTVRONT materials, guys, so you don't have to do any adjustments. It's like ready to use their products. So I just want to use regular vinyl. I think it's glossy. glossy permanent vinyl. Okay, and we have a 12 by 12 cutting mat, like so, from HTVRONT. And everything's preset, so I'm not gonna mess with any of that. And going to go to cut list. See, I don't think I did this right. Go to add task, cut, and you'll see here that it added it to the cutting list. I'm just gonna place this aside and prep my mat here. Let me zoom out. Alright everybody, and after you add it to your cut list, you're gonna go ahead and press the cut button down here. You can see it in blue, and then this will pop up, and I want to press start once we get it going on the mat. So I was going to try this hot pink vinyl. I don't know, I just thought it was cute. Last minute I was gonna do it black, but why not this beautiful hot pink? Alright, and also you guys can get this beautiful hot pink vinyl from HTVRONT. You can always check out the links in my bio, and on my beacons page I will have it there. So I don't need that much. Just gonna cut a little more right here, just to play it safe on size, and keep the rest for later. And my mat here, gonna add it right here in the corner. So there we go. We have it on the mat, and I'm just gonna stick it into the mat area right here. I'm gonna press the load button over here on the side. Oh, did I do that right? No, I did not. So I'm gonna press it on the screen. There it goes. Wow. That's crazy. You can just press it on the screen and it goes in. It's like magic. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and press start on my screen as well. And there it goes. And it is a very quiet cutter. I'm sure you guys can hear some background noise in my house, so I do apologize for that. But oh my gosh, this thing is so quiet. It's like butter. Oh, I'm in love. I cannot wait to cut more things with this. And I am going to do a print and cut video. So you guys, make sure you are subscribed to my channel so we can go ahead and get some likes going so I can make another video. And just tell me, you know, what kind of questions you guys have so I can go ahead and jump into them as well. And if you're not following my TikTok, go ahead and do that so I can show off some of the stuff I make on there. So I'm going to unload the mat. And you can do this also on the screen, I see. So I'm press unload, and just gonna weed it. Let's see how it weeded. Let's go right here, and let's pull it. Let me try to get you guys just a little closer. There we go. And pulling it down, and it looks like it cut very well. And it has the presets for HTVRONT's vinyl, so it knows exactly how to cut and what strength it needs to be cut at. And this is very small cuts for techs, I feel, with another crafting machine that I have, that sometimes it doesn't cut as well for small lettering, and not as great with HTVRONT, their vinyl. But the Loklik cutter is beautiful with this. I mean, look how small these cuts are, and they're coming up like nothing. No issues, no reverse weeding required. Alright everybody, and that is the Loklik cutter. Look at how great this cut came out, and I can't wait to try out more projects with the Loklik cutter. I'm probably going to be using this more dominantly than any other cutter that I have right now to test it out. So I hope to give you guys more videos if you guys want to go ahead and stay tuned for that. But yeah, dude, like, this came out perfect, and I really like this. So if you guys would like to leave a comment and a question or whatever, I'll try to get to it as soon as I can in the next video. Thank you, Loklik, for giving me this cutting machine to try out. It's amazing. And of course, you guys, if you need any products from Loklik, they do have their cutting machine at $169.99 right now, and 2 colors. And then you can go ahead and use any materials from HTVRONT, and you can click my link in the description to go ahead and purchase any vinyl, HTV, or HTVRONT products itself. All right, thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.